How to grow your business on social media. I'm going to be sharing with you the steps you need to take to start growing your business on social media right now in this video. And all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end so you can learn exactly what you need to do to start growing your business. Doing this video for the first time, my name is Tiffany. I'm a social media manager. I talk about business growth tips, social media strategies, and how to make money in the online space. If this is the kind of topic that interests you, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on your post notification so you can be notified whenever there is a new helpful post for you. Let's talk about how to grow your business on social media. The first thing you need to do is to really get your business on social media. I know this sounds common, but there are still so many businesses that are yet to get their business on social media. So if you're one of them, make sure to get your business on social media. But there's still something you need to know. Before getting your business on any social media platform, it's very important for you to understand your target audience. Your target audience is the people you are serving. You need to get to understand them. You need to know them. You need to know their interests, their pain points, their struggles. These details is going to help you serve them better. Do you get me? So once you have known this target audience, you now have to figure out where are this specific set of people? What platform do you think they spend their most time on? For instance, if your brand is a fashion brand, platforms that I'm going to suggest for you is like platforms like Instagram and TikTok. And the reason why is that people that spend their most time on Instagram are people that are into fashion, into lifestyle. So it's going to be very easy for you to attract them to buy from you, to buy your products and services and all of that stuff. But if your brand is not into fashion, you now have to definitely relax and figure out the right platform for your business. So you can quickly go to the right platform and start, attracting the right audience. If you get to the wrong platform, you are going to be wasting your time, your resources, and trust me, you don't want that. That is why understanding your audience and pinpointing the right platform to be on is very, very important. The second thing you need to know is that you have to optimize your page. Whatever social media platform you finally figured out to be, you need to optimize your business page on that platform. The reason for optimization is that you need to make it easier for your customers to find you. Because literally every brand out there, people are buying things all the time. People are looking for products, people are looking for a particular service. And when you have not yet optimized your account, they will not be able to find you. Like recently, I wanted to get a tennis skirt. So I had to go on social media to buy me a tennis skirt. So all I had to do is to use the search bar on Instagram and TikTok because that is where I mostly spend my time on when it comes to, my interest, you get me. So when I go to this platform, I use the search bar to like type in tennis skirt in my location. And the reason why I added my location is to make sure that the brands I'm going to find is going to be very close to me for me to easily get what I'm going to order. You get me? So when I typed it in, Instagram, TikTok had to suggest a lot of brands that are selling that particular item I'm looking for. And this made it easier for me to like get my hands on a couple of brands that I feel like, okay, I love what they are selling, so I can patronize them. So also, as a business owner, if your page is not optimized, that means that your customer that you're looking for, when they finally come searching for you, they will not find you. And you're just going to be on social media for no reason, even though you're on social media. So this is why it's very important for you to actually optimize your page so that you can easily be found by the right people. If you want to learn how to optimize your page, you can comment down below so I can create a video around it. But right now, we have to focus on growing your business on social media. Now, the next thing you need to do is to create a social media strategy. This is going to guide you on what you have to do, how you're going to do it, when you're going to do it, and for who you're going to do it for. Like it's just like a plan. It's going to be guiding you on what you should do and all of that stuff. And on that social media strategy, you are going to have a content strategy. Content strategy that will be telling you what type of content to post, when, what time, and all of that stuff. And this brings us to the next thing, which is creating valuable content. For you to be able to grow on social media, you need to be able to start creating good content. I feel like content is like the currency of social media because you can never grow on social media without content. And the reason why content is very important is that for people to get to know about you on social media, for someone to be able to find you, to see you, to notice you, you need to be able to start dishing out content. Those content is what people are going to see that will now get them attracted to your business page and even make them to understand that, okay, this is what this person is offering. And then they'll be interested in wanting to like patronize your brand. You get me? So content creation is very, very important. Now I'm going to be sharing with you for free the three types of content you should be creating as a business owner. The first kind of content you should be creating is educational content. This kind of content you should be sharing how to guide. As a business owner, you have more knowledge. There's always a knowledge that you need to share. So let's say you are a brand that sells the stainless steel that I spoke about previously. You can create content around how to, match tops, different kinds of tops with intimate skirts. Whether it's t-shirt, whether it's polos, whether it's tank tops. Whenever your customers see that kind of content, it's going to attract them. Trust me, people don't joke with value. People don't joke with knowledge. When you share those kind of valuable information, they're going to like see it, appreciate it, and it's going to make them to start trusting your brand. And trust me, once anyone is getting that kind of valuable information from your business page, they are going to look into your page and see the kind of things that you're offering. And once they have seen it, anytime they need any of those items, trust me, they will easily buy from you instead of your competitor because why not? You have already helped them through something. And you creating that kind of educational content is going to tell them that you know what you are doing. You are an expert. You are really passionate about your business and all of that stuff. Now, the second type of content you should consider creating is entertaining content. Create content that are relatable, content that are funny. This is going to let your customers know that you have a human side and they're going to connect with you on a human level. It's going to make it easier for them to start feeling like you're a person instead of just a brand. So this kind of content always increases engagement on your post, makes more people to like relate to your content and also like share your content to like people they know, their loved ones, their friends. And like that, your business community is going to continue to grow. Now, the third type of content you should create is promotional content. This time around, you can now start creating content about your business, what you sell, what you offer, before and after, talk about the reviews that your customers have given to you, tell them about your launch, tell them about the products that are up for grab and all of that stuff. This kind of content is going to help people to finally start taking action to know that, okay, now she's selling and we should patronize her and all of that stuff. So these are the three types of content you should be creating. Now you know that content is not really that stressful. Start creating content for your business so you can attract more eyeballs to your brand. The next thing you have to do is to start running ads on your content. Now, basically, this thing means there are some content that you already have on your page that you would want more people to see, or you have a reason why you want like to get more eyeballs to it. So look for your most performing content, the content that you want people to see, your products that you want to sell. Let's say your a particular product that you really want people to like get to see and buy and all of that stuff. You have to promote those kind of posts so that you can get more eyes on it. And the sweet thing about running ads on your post is that it's going to like take your content just like this and put it in front of the right customer. They don't even have to wait for the algorithm to do their thing. You don't have to wait to use the right keyword and hope that people are going to find your content. You get. So running ads is going to make it easier for you. And trust me, I know that, yeah, you have to use money to run ads, but you actually have to invest in your business because there's a lot of people on social media. So you need to really get your business out, even if it's once in a month. You need to start investing in targeted ads. You need to promote some of your posts so that more people can see it and visit your page. And let me tell you, let's say for instance, you spent $3 on a particular post. It's going to get in front of over 5,000 or 10,000 people. And if 10,000 people sees your post, out of that 10,000 people, about 8,000 people can actually buy from you. And trust me, you're going to make so much money from that. And you won't even remember the $3 that you just invested. So I believe that, running ads is always a good investment and it's not something that you can regret. Now, the next thing you need to do is to actually like collaborate with other like business owners. For an instance, you're a brand that you sell jewelries. You can actually collaborate with other brands that are into fashion. You get even right now, Instagram promotes it. 3 or 4 people can actually like put the same content and it's going to be on everybody's post. You get me? The reason for this collaboration is to get the other people's followers, their audience to be able to like get to see your brand. From there, people can actually tap into your brand and see whatever you are selling and they start patronizing you for real, for real. So collaborating with other creators, other business owners is actually a very nice thing to do and it always pays. Even if it doesn't pay off right then, it pays off long term. So this is something that you should keep in mind and start doing. The next thing you should do is to run contests and giveaways. Everybody likes something free. You don't have to spend $1 million to do giveaways. You just have to have a budget depending on the amount that you have. But let me tell you, giveaways is a great way to attract a lot of people to your page, people sharing your page, trying to win something. At the end of the day, you're going to get a lot of customers, you're going to get more visibility, you're going to get more followers. And at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation. So whatever you're giving out is even going to be like peanuts compared to what you're going to get. So that is why running content and giveaways is a very good business growth strategy on social media. So make sure to do this. Even if it's once every month, I advise it. I advise you to actually run content and giveaways once every month. You are going to see the difference. Now, the final thing you need to do is to actually subscribe to this channel. The reason why is that this channel, you're going to be learning how to grow your business, everything you need to do. I'm going to be sharing more tips on how to use social media better to attract the right audience. I'll be sharing with you updates, trends, literally everything you need to know at each point in time. So I believe that it's going to be a very good decision for you to do. So make sure to subscribe right now and turn on the post notification so that whenever I share a new post, you're going to be notified. If you made it to the end of this video, kudos. I'm so excited for you. I can't wait for you to start growing your business. And I don't really want you to just listen to everything I say without taking action. Make sure to start taking action because you can only see results when you have started taking action. And trust me, the kind of money that you're going to make is a lot if you are serious about growing your business because there are over 5 billion people on social media. And I think the stat is increasing every day. So these people, who do you think they are buying from? They are buying from brands like you. So make sure to go out there and position your brand and start making sales. If you find this video helpful, leave me a comment down below and make sure to share this video to at least one business owner that you know so that they can actually get something valuable as well. Thank you for watching this video to the end and see you in my next video.